Hi all, today we are going to see one of the important concepts in postnatal growth of craniofacial structures, which is the movement of bone, called as drift and displacement. Growth is usually an increase in size, and when there is this increase in size, movement of bone is observed along with the growth. These skeletal movements of growth can be primarily classified into drift and displacement. Drift is also called as cortical drift, and displacement is further classified as primary displacement of bone and secondary displacement of bone. So these are the two basic kinds of skeletal movement. We have to know about a process called remodeling before we go in depth to drift and displacement. So in remodeling, there is bone deposition and bone resorption that will bring about change in size, shape and the relationship of the bone. So bone resorption is basically caused by osteoclast. Bone deposition is by osteoblast, which lay the bone. So there is this continuous balanced bone remodeling that results in growth of the bone. So when this balance is maintained, there is a constant increase in size of that bone. So this is the concept that applies to drift. So growth movement because of enlarging portion of a bone by remodeling of its own tissue. That same bone, when it enlarges due to the remodeling, it is called as drift. Drift is always a combination of resorption and deposition. So this direction will be in the same direction of its own growth. If there is deposition in the posterior side, the movement will be in the posterior side. This is called as drift or cortical drift, which is in the same direction of growth. Displacement is physical movement of the whole bone because of its own growth or growth of the adjacent bone. Either the next bone will grow or this bone will grow and the entire bone will move. That is called displacement. It's classified as primary, that is the displacement due to its own growth. As the bone enlarges, if it displaces, it's primary. The next bone enlarges and it pushes the adjacent bone, that is called secondary displacement. So example of cortical drift or remodeling is the cranial fossa, where deposition and resorption takes place and there is drifting of the foramina and increase in space for accommodation of brain. This is an example of drift. Example of displacement is maxilla. As the maxillary tuberosity grows in the posterior direction, maxilla is moved in the anterior direction, that is opposite side. This type of displacement is primary type of displacement. In condyle also, to maintain contact with the fossa, the condyle grows in the posterior direction and the bone gets displaced towards anterior direction, forward and downward. This is a type of primary displacement. Secondary displacement is due to adjacent bone. The adjacent bone grows and pushes the other bone. That is, here the cranial base is growing in a forward direction that displaces the nasomaxillary complex. This is a secondary type of displacement as there is no actual enlargement of maxilla. The movement is due to growth of the cranial base. So, thank you.